If you need to apply vampire fangs and you don't have any glue, your best alternative is denture cream. You can buy a small tube of super or superior hold denture cream at most pharmacies and drugstores for less than $5. Start by drying off your upper teeth and gums with a tissue so the denture cream will stick to your teeth better. Squeeze a small dot of cream onto the back side of the fang, on the top half only, since that's the part that will be against your tooth. Press the fang against your canine tooth with the pointy tip facing down and the concave side with the adhesive covering your tooth. Hold it in place for 10 to 15 seconds so the adhesive can create a good bond. Then, repeat the same process to apply the second fang to your other canine tooth. If you get any extra denture cream in your mouth or on your tongue, use a toothbrush with warm water to lightly wipe it off. Peel the fangs off by gently pulling them forward before you eat or go to sleep. If you plan to reapply the fangs after eating or sleeping, brush your teeth first, so the denture cream will bond to your teeth better.